大家好，我是台中科大语言中心和艾薇 and this is a phrase a day. Today's phrase, pass off. Pass off. Can you guess what this means? To pass something? Okay, I'll give you the English first. To pass off means to try to convince someone that something is real. Okay, so we pass off fake things. In Chinese, y'all say 冒充 or 拿什么什么来假冒. Okay, so in English, pass off is just to say something is real, but it's not real. You're trying to pass off to somebody else. Usually, we use this when we are buying something. For example, you can buy a very expensive watch and they're trying to pass it off as a Gucci watch, for example, and it's not. So they're passing it off. Okay, here are some example sentences. Number one, he tried to pass the fake watch off as a real Rolex. Or number two, stop trying to pass me off as your girlfriend. I don't even like you. I hope nobody tells you that. Okay, so this is our phrase today, pass off. And as always, you can come back next time and I will teach you another phrase. 明天见，拜拜。